Tukolinde igobone kambero kyanyara gotegerera igoro jekine kibono kigeti gwasike kambero kubwatekana nabangina bane obona babete bago sambwa sokogero ko babarugiye kuri kinsemo kiri kya Marani kolengana nensemo yeke kambero hamone byombe abiri bikogero bane homanya bantu nigo bayikera nasari tukulya rero byombe gunigo byate biri bunanere biyeke kambero konyara konache ekineki asenchire bwenete nekinke cyabangina bete bago sambo bane kinsemo kiri kya Marani asomwa kabo kiri bubere na merongo ebere noyomo ngonyara bale obone bwabo ensemo yeke kambero nigiyate yabona gendera gotegerera ngane yasikendo chikuruko chikwabo eikwegocha maiga yokonyara korwa ausokonyara keroli konyara kwamanya hali abeteka okolekana omulikito mirudde mumanyi nekera nasensemejo nagotwaliganira roboti rokobwatia
ogotebya abasaba ito bari iskogari mbare bakonyara obwate stress kwaba depressed because of some marital affairs, because of some family issues kabata yari gosanga irindo nyara ko bagokonyara bokonye torwanerere obogima bwaito buna abana basaye erinde tonyare gukina tochigokonya ebinyoro byaito ende tokonyinse yaito lakini nchebuno umuteneneri bw'abanafunzi nimaitenga kogoche skuru
lero ni goli abere litsukulia gatatu engaki kiroli bagendete kurwa oborori bwabo bosibeke gambero gya Kisii ase abangina bane banyatko bagusambwa omwaka w'ekiri bubere na merongo ebere noyomo ase kilia buna nigo bakagire koba abarogi asensemo ya Marani ase bono ekina kyabo kigendete gotegererwa
mwili yake unaweza kujua na yeye ilipelekwa wapi
mwili ilipelekwa na askari waliomba wakapelekwa mochari.
So, as a result of my examinations, I formed the opinion that the cause of death was complications of 81% total burn surface area.
Justice Waweru kiare oyotenete ekinekyo nigatebire ngari tukulia Ijumaa na chikorwa litukobene elia ekinekyo likira chikobage koera gose gutangaswa koera elinde abangina abo banyariko bakonyora obwene bwabo.
The prosecution closed their case yesterday, and today we made our submissions and perceptive of whether or not the accused people should be put on their defense. Of course, there was intense debate, but we are hoping and expecting that the accused will be put on their defense so that the court can judge whether any of them should be released at this stage. That will happen on Friday, so on Friday the court is again convening about this case.
We've had a total of 14 witnesses. We are very happy and grateful to court in the manner in which this matter has been expeditiously heard. So we are very hopeful, just like my senior has alluded to, there will be a ruling on Friday on the case to answer. So essentially what we expect and what is our hope, based on the evidence that have been adduced, is that all the 16 accused persons will be put on their defense so that they can have an opportunity also to challenge the evidence that is already on record.
Aba wakili ntenenera bekinekyo bakobwaterana nebyombe egati yabo ekyombe gya Kenya National Commission of Human Rights ekyombe kya Utu Coalition nigo batkirembu ya mono ase ekineki kyanyako bageko gutegererwa nase batebire ogusaba kwabo ngolinga abanyagusira abo bane banyako bakonyora obo ene bwabo.
Vijana wetu, vijana wa Kisii, wacha kuangalia mtu wa sababu ate amekuwa mkongwe na sura imeanza kupatilika ukafikiria ya kwamba sura ndio uchawe. Siku moja utachipata umekuwa mkongwe. Kwa hivyo ukongwe ama uzee si uchawe.
Tunataka kila mtu hawe na hutu. Wamama wasiuawe, wazee wasiuawe eti wao ni wachawi. Tuwe na hutu kwa kila mmoja wetu. Ni jukumu letu tulinde wakongwe ambao wako kati yetu.
Kwangu kwa niaba ya kanisa ningesema kwamba tuheshimu neno la Mungu. Navyosema kwamba mwanadamu hajapewa uhuru wa kumtoa mwenzake uhai. Tuheshimu watu wa vitengo vyote na tutangaza amani kwa kila mmoja. Mtu akiwa na kosa aweze kuchukuliwa hatua na serikali inaweza kumtatua hiyo shida mlio nayo. Nashukuru kwa kitengo chetu cha haki pamoja na Utu Coalition ambao tumekuja huku. Tunaomba Mungu atusaidie kwa vyote na yote, tukachochana tukaimize amani na upendo nchini Kenya.
Kuripotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, Litaliane Mildred Mumanyi.